For Allah.
Yeah, Tim, pull the contingency.
Wait. Not yet. Oh.
Negative in position. Just detonate it, Paco. Just detonate it.
Dead man!
Oh my god, oh shit.
Wait,
How
how's
is
that
he
truck?
still alive?
Oh.
We failed, man.
So far.
Fuck.
Oh well.
Something that packed with explosives has failed.
Yep.
I don't think we should have rammed it. I think Paco just should have parked right next to it.
Dead man, I was supposed to die either way.
Okay, it's... Do you
Okay,
guys
the
have
tank is supposed to head towards you guys now.
Okay.
Rockets out, boys. Who's firing first?
Warlord, I'm going to need a vehicle on my position.
Affirmative, I'll send some Habibi to get bike to you.
Roger that.
I don't need to adjust, right?
Be advised that T-72 is headed to your position now. Get ready.
A firm, sir. Do I need to adjust my ano? Or no?
No, you're aiming downhill.
Okay.
Fire at it when you're ready.
What do you need?
Oh,
It's
get a
trans-
bike. Oh yeah, you respond. Get a bike.
One.
Anything
not
else?
a bike, a Hilux. A Hilux. That's what I need.
Fire when
Firing.
ready.
A Hilux with an anti-tank.
Uh-oh.
Oh shit.
It's mad.
Fire? Ramos?
Oh, Ram is gone, by the way.
Ram is gone, by the way. There's only two of you guys up there.
Oh god, wait lang. Oh god, wait lang. Let me climb.